What if I told you that the concept of the atom, the building block of everything in the universe, was first discovered not in modern science labs, but over 2,500 years ago by an Indian sage? Who was Kanad? Kanad, also known as Uluk, lived around 600 BCE. He hailed from Prabhas Kshetra, modern-day Gujarat, India. Fascination with the minuscule. The name Kanad was given because of his interest in observing and studying small particles. Kan means particle. Founder of the Vaisheshika school, one of the 6 classical Indian philosophical systems. The Vaisheshika school focuses on natural philosophy and science. Kanad's ideas are documented in the Vaisheshika Sutras, a foundational text of the Vaisheshika philosophy. When was it written? Composed between 600 BCE and 200 BCE, initially preserved through oral traditions and later transcribed. Content of the Vaisheshika Sutras. Atomic theory, Paramanuvād. The universe is composed of indivisible particles called paramanus, atoms. These atoms are eternal, indestructible, and invisible. They possess motion, which allows them to combine and form more complex substances. Combination of atoms. 2 or more atoms combine to form dyads, dvi-anuka, which further combine to form molecules. Tri-anuka. Categories of reality. Kanad identified 6 categories. 1. Substance, dravya. 2. Quality, guna. 3. Activity, Kama. 4. Generality, Samanya. 5. Particularity, Vishesha. 6. Inherence, Samavaya. Quantum concepts and law of attraction. Did Kanad introduce quantum ideas? Kanad's philosophy suggests that atoms are not static, they are in constant motion and interact based on certain natural laws. This aligns with modern quantum physics, which states that particles behave probabilistically and are influenced by forces like energy and vibration. Law of attraction and meditation. While Kanad didn't explicitly state the law of attraction in modern terms, his ideas resonate with it. He believed that understanding the atomic structure allows one to understand the cosmic order and align with it through mental discipline and meditation. This could be interpreted as the first hint of using consciousness to influence matter, a concept gaining traction in modern quantum theories and metaphysics. Why is Einstein credited and not Kanad? Einstein's contributions. Einstein worked on Brownian motion and theory of relativity, which provided empirical proof for the existence of atoms. His contributions helped bridge classical physics and quantum mechanics. Colonial influence and Western bias. During the colonial period, India's scientific achievements were largely ignored or marginalized. Western education systems prioritized Greek and European philosophers, overshadowing thinkers like Kanad. Lack of global dissemination. Unlike Greek texts, which were widely translated and studied, Indian philosophical and scientific texts remained confined to the subcontinent until modern times. Oral traditions' impact. Indian knowledge systems heavily relied on oral transmission, which was often dismissed by Western scholars as less reliable than written records. Scientific validation of Kanad's atomic theory, modern relevance. Kanad's atomic theory aligns with the fundamentals of modern chemistry and physics. Concepts of indivisibility, motion, and molecular formation were centuries ahead of their time. Empirical support. Modern experiments on atomic structure, chemical reactions, and quantum mechanics validate Kanad's ideas. Kanad's influence on Indian philosophy and science, impact on later thinkers. Scholars like Prashastapada and Udayanacharya expanded on Kanad's Vaisheshika philosophy. His work influenced the development of logical and scientific methods in ancient India, ethics and science. Unlike modern science, Kanad integrated spiritual and ethical dimensions into his scientific inquiries. He believed that understanding the universe's structure leads to a harmonious and moral life. Rediscovery of Kanad's contributions, efforts by Indian scientists. In the 20th century, Indian scientists like C.V. Raman and Satyendra Nath Bose highlighted the scientific achievements of ancient India, including Kanad's atomic theory. Revival of interest. Modern initiatives are translating and popularizing texts like the Vaisheshika Sutras globally. Acharya Kanad was a visionary whose ideas predate modern atomic and quantum theories by centuries. His work reflects the advanced scientific understanding of ancient India. The world now has the opportunity to recognize and honor his contributions. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel.